Hey beauties, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we do hair tutorials, and in this tutorial today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve your jumbo knotless twist with a very tiny root. The root is not going to be big like what you used to know, and also how you can achieve a tiny tips with Brazilian wool. I have like 3 ideas I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video, so please stay tuned to the end, as every part of the video is going to be meaning a lot to you. Okay, I'm cutting the Brazilian wool right now. I'm going to cut it and brush it. I'm going to brush the tips actually, because it's a lot of work to brush the Brazilian wool, and I will say to you that it's very stressful. So if you don't want to go through this stress, you can just do as if you are picking the Brazilian wool. Make sure that the tips are not on the same length. Then you use it to braid your hem. Then you add braiding hair, that's attachment extension to the tips, and continue with the braiding so that it can give you the tiny tips. But if you're not ready to go through all those processes, I'm here to share with you guys this process. Okay, I've brushed the Brazilian wool right now, and I'm going to use them to braid this twisting in this tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be parting the hair right now. Actually, what I want to show you in this tutorial, like I said, is like 3 ideas I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, one is that the way you can achieve the root of your jumbo twist so that it won't be big, or how will I put it, it will relax. And when we're talking about professional braiding, okay, that's what I want to share with you guys today. To me, this is very, very professional to me, because I am so keen on the root of my braid relaxing. I think they look more mature, more professional. Okay, we are going to be using this black rubber band to hold the root of our hair. Remember, we are going for jumbo braids, and remember I told you on my title that we are not going to be doing crochet. We are not doing crochet in this braid. We are just going to braid the hair after tying the root with rubber band. Just keep watching. So in this tutorial, I'm not going to waste your time. I'll just take you straight to the point I'm trying to prove. So let's get into the video, or let's get to the point. Okay, sorry, I'll not be explaining the cutting and all of that, because I am very sure you're not here for cutting tutorials. Okay, all right, I've parted the hair, tied them down with rubber band. Then I'm showing you right now how I'm starting the twist. I'm starting with just her hair. This is just like knotless braid, okay, but knotless twist without braiding the root. Okay, I've started with her hair. Then I'm going to add the braiding hair, that's the Brazilian wool. What I did in this video is I divided the wool that I want to use to braid one hair into 3 equal parts. They must not necessarily be equal, but into 3. Then I'll start adding them bit by bit. In that 3 parts, I'll add them one by one. Why? Because I don't want the root to be thick. I'm going to insert a picture now that explains why I don't want the root to be thick, because it will cause the hair not to be that relaxed. Then to me it won't look so mature or professional, like I said before. Okay, I've added the second part of the Brazilian wool right now, and I'm twisting. Sorry, this part is so slow because I want you guys to get what I'm saying. The second part wouldn't be that slow, and I'm going to show you guys twice in this video. Okay, here is a picture of what it looks like to start with crochet. Okay, you can see that it's so thick on the root, but this is so different, despite the fact that the braiding hair we added is thicker than what was added in that picture I just showed you guys. Okay, okay, I think I'll just fast the video. The video is going to be fast from now. Then again, I will show you guys again. Remember, I'm going to still show what I did again. So braid to the tips. I noticed that the tips is so tiny. Then I will add a very small portion of the Brazilian wool, a shorter portion, to the tips so that it won't be so slim. I didn't show when I did it, sorry. Okay, we are doing it again. I'm going to start twisting with her hair. Sorry, I'm not going to twist more than 2 times. Some I even twisted once. Okay, like this one I twisted once. Make sure you're holding her hair tight. Then I'm adding the braiding hair. I'm adding another one again. Remember that when you are done with her hair, when you are going to leave her hair part, we are going to add another braiding hair so that it can cover up for the hair that you are leaving behind. The sizes can be the same. Okay, I'm adding at the finishing of her hair now, like where her hair finished. That's where I'm adding. You guys can see that despite the amount of braiding hair that was added to this braid, the root don't look chunky. Okay, they are so flat, flexible, and all of that. Come to talk of the pain it is to pass crochet through your braid, all of that is gone. Okay, at this point I will tell you to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll keep bringing premium braiding tips for you guys. Okay, so I'll continue like that to the tips. Again, I'll remind you, okay, I told you that I was going to add to the tips because the tips are so tiny. That's what I'm doing right now. That one is very short that I'm adding to the tips. Okay, I'm reminding you again to like this video. This video is very worthy of your like, because this is the professional braiding tips I'm bringing to you on this space. Like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you like this video, you're telling YouTube that you want videos like this. So whenever videos like this are uploaded, YouTube will bring them to you. Thank you for watching till this point. Bye. This is the end of my video. As I said, though, like my video. Look at the hair now. Look at this hair, so shiny, so neat. Thank you for watching. Bye.